The Transport Department reminded residents that seatbelts are mandatory on public transport and commercial vehicles starting on the 25th of January next year. This after the police earlier conducted a blitz enforcement operation on a minibus that resulted in the prosecution of 31 passengers who failed to wear their seatbelts. The latest seatbelt legislation applies to vehicles including buses, school buses, as well as trucks. Offenders could be subject to a maximum fine of $5,000 and 3 months imprisonment.